Good day again. Is Connexus Tech Genius. Connexus Tech Genius. Today I'll be talking about linking data. Basically, I'm running two warehouses. So in these two warehouses, it has to be a data link because you have to be using the same network. So the same IP, so that there can be communication between those warehouses. So currently I'm not having the fiber network, which acts as a link between the warehouses. I'm currently running with point-to-point link, but as you know that point-to-point link is not that perfect, so obviously you have to go for fiber link. Even though fiber is expensive, but that's the best I can recommend to big companies. This is basically where, let me stop with the basically thing. This is where my network is. First, you're having all these patches. It's called a patch panel. It's a Cat6. On this patch panel, it has all my network points for this warehouse. So they pass through these patches here. So these patches were done by me, Connexus Tech Genius. That's my name, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm having a patch panel A. It's only one. Then I'm having switch A. Switch A, one of the switches that's sent to the panel. Then I'm having switch B, which is the Cisco switch. Switch A and switch C, they are both Netgear switches. So for you to work with the fiber link, you have to have this code. It's called a patch code. It runs the light. As you know that internet runs through light. It's called a patch code. You need a patch code. You need a module. This one is a Cisco module. This module goes into the switch in which you'll be getting the network from. My camera is not that clean, but as you can see, there's a bit of light there. That red light. That red light shows that my switch, my module is working. So through that light, the light has to pass through this patch code. Then from the patch code to the fiber tray in which you really have configured your fiber. So it comes from you whether you want to go with the number of cores for fiber. Is up to you to decide. But here we have patched for only four. Then these two are my remainders. Then from this light, the light that I've been talking about from the patch code, it has to go through these fiber nodes. Currently they are not connected. So these fiber nodes are the ones that will be connecting to the fiber cable that will be running from the other warehouse. So currently I'm not yet connected, but soon I'll be connected and I'll be showing you. This is the fiber that we ran before and it's not working. So this fiber, as you can see, it's a fiber is a firewire. I want to show you that it's a firewire. You can just, it's breathless, you know. Let me take one. Working with this is a very sensitive cable. So this firewire, you'll be getting into this. So it's just a connection through the firewire fusion box. So this is what we call the splice box. I will show you everything next week when you are installing the firewire. So it has to go through this thing. Then you'll be having your link. So it's just the introduction. I'll show you most of the things the coming week. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Connexus Tech Genius. Peace out. Just enjoy the network. Networking is as easy as that. So I'm sorry I couldn't put more of it so that you understand, but basically that is what is happening here. So bye bye.